Hayline.
Foul exhaust soon.
3, 2, 1.
Nothing to see here!
Melee.
Ranged.
Flame and coin, left and middle.
Withering flames. Hayline soon.
Empowered.
Foul exhaust soon.
Withering flames. Three, two, one, two, Hayline. 1.
Coins.
Foul exhaust.
Melee's gonna come from the side. Melee.
Ranged.
Hayline soon.
Okay, next set of ads coming. Shock and coin, shock and coin.
Foul exhaust
Hayline.
soon.
Left and right.
1. Foul exhaust.
Withering flames soon.
Melee.
Withering flames. High roller. Withering flames.
Good job on the ads. Those died really fast.
3,
Hayline
2,
soon.
1. 3,
More coins.
2.
More coins.
1.
Foul exhaust
Foul
soon.
exhaust.
Oh, I got it, Chris.
Link out.
Melee.
Five seconds to the next set of ads.
Hayline soon.
3,
Shock and bomb.
Soon.
1.
Hayline.
Middle and right.
Foul exhaust. 3, 2,
Withering
1.
flames soon.
Range
Empowered.
coming.
Melee.
Withering flames. Withering flames.
Use the bomb.
Put it in.
Hayline soon.
Hayline.
Foul
Three.
exhaust soon.
2,
Ads.
1. Foul exhaust.
I'm stunned.
You're taking him, so.
Ranged.
Melee.
Keep your head on a swivel with these coins coming through. It's good comms.
3,
Yeah, just call
Two.
both Foxy if it's
1.
going for both.
Hayline soon.
Okay.
Shock and flame. CC these ads. It's the middle and the right.
Foul exhaust.
Withering flames soon.
Hayline. Withering flames.
Shock
Withering
one.
Ad
flames.
down. Just add down. Shock one's going into the wall. Where's ours?
3, 2, 1.
Ranged.
3, 2, 1. Hayline.
Foul exhaust soon.
Foul exhaust.
Can you take Jay? Yep. Coin going to wall.
Oh shit.
Ranged.
Big J up.
I'm activating the suck.
Hayline soon.
Oh,
3, 2,
Roll
Lust.
soon.
1.
Searching arc. Withering flames soon.
Three,
Foul exhaust
2,
soon.
1.
Empowered.
Foul exhaust.
everything you got.
10 seconds on
Hayline
pop.
soon.
That blue beam is just
Hayline.
death.
Yeah, don't be between the boss and the big fucking electric beam.
Uncontrolled burn, soon.
Range. Range.
Oh.
Foul exhaust, soon.
Dodge lines.
Oh,
Defensives,
Foul
defensives.
exhaust.
Big defensives.
Pay line, soon.
Three,
Next, another
Two.
set of coins are coming out.
three,
Scattered payout.
Watch your feet.
Soon.
Get these buffs.
one.
I'll get the one with the boss.
Second pots if you haven't already.
oh god, I got or coin.
Foul exhaust.
Fuck yes!
Oh my god.
Nice.
It was so clean, and I puckered my asshole so hard because if we were like 2 seconds late, we were super fucked. Because if we push him with those ads out, it's bad news bears.